Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox two of these different types of baby car mirror monitor. This is by VECELSUS, and I'd like to give a shout out to Sherry from their marketing team for sending me both of these items so I could introduce their products. By the way, be sure to click on the link that's going to show you in the description so you can check them out. And this is 1080p night vision baby car camera with the 4.3-inch clip-on baby car monitor. Easy install, baby must have car back seat so you can see your baby while you are traveling or driving your vehicle. And this one is the VT1B. And then the second one is the VM1B, which is a baby car monitor with the 1080p, also with the night vision and with the 4.3-inch display. And this is the best in-class easy installations. Baby must have a backseat camera. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this and see both of the items. So here's the product description. So we have two different sets. This one is the VT1B. It's a clip-on over your existing mirror. So it is a very easy installation. You got the 4.3-inch high-resolution card in mirror monitor, 1080p HD super night vision camera. And this is the branding right here. You could also check out the website right here. Let's go and then open this up. So they've been making this since 2005. You can also scan on the QR code right here for installation guide. Wow, this is pretty nice. Come with two connector. One is for the power, and then the other one's connected to the rear camera. It's made in China. You have the mode menu, on and off, left and right button to toggle or navigate. Wow, nice prying tool to insert in this cable. And this is the rear camera with the double-sided tape. Then come with the extra long cord for installation. And you got the secret adapter. Also come with the USB port. And then two other mounting brackets. also come with for this zip tie. Let's go ahead and check out this one. This one's the VM1B. So this one has its own monitor. And then extra long cable. Got the zip tie and then wire slice caps. 3 of those. Another secret adapter. And then got 2 different power cables. Either this one or you can install it in a hot wire. And seems like we have the same rear view camera. And then brackets again, and then a prying tool. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this and show you guys real quick. Let's go. So we're getting ready to install this. But first of all, I just want to show you guys the connection where it says monitor. That means you're going to go to the mirror for this one. And then the other end, it says camera. So just hook this to the camera. And then there are 2 of this holder or the mounting bracket for the camera. This one is for the headrest, the metal bar, and depends on the thickness on your headrest. You could open this up. And then there's 4 different adjustable bar right here. That you can grab this spring to it, okay? And if you don't want to mount this, you can just put this on your glass of the window. So just unscrew this screw right here, pop this out, and then pop this in here. And make sure you move the screw too so you can tighten it up. So you mount this like that, okay? And you can rotate either horizontal or vertical or portrait mode. So same goes with this one. And then right here is the 12 to 24 volt plug. Or if you want to hotwire, you could connect this connector, and then there's your positive and negative. So with this one, it comes with this mounting bracket. Be sure it goes in here like that, and then just push it up to lock it up. And you can mount this on the dash or your windshield, okay? Here's a control right here, menu button, and then plus minus. It has the same label. Monitor goes here, and then the other one, the camera, goes to the camera, and then the other one goes to the power source. Okay, we're just going to clip this over here on the mirror, and we're going to plug this into the 12 volt. Right here. So there are 2 ways to mount this. Open this up. You gotta yank it out all the way. So And then you can point this at the baby's car seat, or whoever's in the back, in case you're an Uber driver or anything like that, or Lyft or taxi driver. Or if you want, you can mount this bracket on the window. Okay, you press power, and now it's on. So here you can see me. You can adjust it. So I'm sitting in the back seat right here. Hello, YouTube. What's happening? Good thing about this camera, it has a mode. Right now it's a standard, vivid, light, soft. So you can adjust a different color tone for your camera. And then there's a menu right here. This one you can adjust the brightness and just use the up and down arrow. If you press menu one more time, this is the contrast, saturation, hue, color line on or off. And then there's a color delay on or off. There's a different second. You got 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 2 seconds. If you press menu one more time, this cool thing about this one is allow you to rotate. Somehow this one is rotate upside down and upside down, right, upside down. And then this is like a mirror image. And then press menu one more time, and that's it. Back to brightness. So let's go ahead and test out the other unit. Okay, you can mount it on the dashboard if you like, but it's better to get those plastic plates so you can have a better suction. And then if you want, you could also mount this on your windshield like this. Okay, that's the other one right there. I'm just gonna put this for now as a demonstration. Okay, and I'm gonna plug it in. Make sure the blue light will be on. Okay, there you go. Oh, see? Oh, there you go. We should remove this plastic protective. So the menu again is adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, color line on and off, color delay again. And if you want, you can press the arrow up and down, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and then 10 seconds. And then allow you to rotate same thing as the other one. Oh, and then the language. I forgot to tell you guys the language. It's English, Japanese, Korean, not sure what's that one, Chinese, traditional Chinese, and then English again. The reason the monitor was black because it was facing downward. Now I'm going to remove this plastic protector. And then I'm going to mount this right here. There you go. And then there you go. You can see me right here. Hey YouTube, what's happening? Hopefully you guys like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description so you can check out any of these 2 items out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye always. Peace.